Let's get you the latest from the MJ Akbar hearing. The cross-examination of Mr. Akbar is underway in the criminal defamation case against journalist Priya Ramani. And in the last few minutes, it seems the judge has allowed the defense to use tweets, articles, as well as emails by the various women who have accused Mr. Akbar of sexual harassment. Ridhima joining us at this point with the latest on that story. Ridhima, what is it that's happening in court right now?
Yes, Ankita, today was another hearing for the defamation case filed by MJ Akbar against Priya Ramani for calling him out on tweets for sexual misconduct in the workplace. And it was another fierce arguments flying about in the courtroom today from both sides of the party. But what was unique was, as you said, the use of tweets and articles and emails. The fact that Rebecca John today during the cross-examination steered away from just the meeting that happened allegedly in 1991 between Ramani and Akbar, which he denies. She steered clear from that and instead focused today on the article that she had written in 2017 in Vogue that did not actually mention MJ Akbar's name or any other person's for that matter, but it did mention the act in itself. And Rebecca John asked Akbar about whether he understood that this entire article was not about him and that it was about several other bosses, male bosses that Priya Ramani had worked with, and she was really commenting about the culture and the culture of workplace and sexual harassment at the workplace. To which he said, once again, after repeatedly saying, I do not recall in the last hearing, today he said that he did not understand the article. Also, along with this, it is important to note that there are 38 women who have accused and called out MJ Akbar for similar behavior, a similar misconduct with them. And their tweets, a series of 33 tweets today were used in the court by Rebecca John to pose questions to MJ Akbar in finding out whether he had read the tweets, whether he agrees, whether there is any truth to the content of the tweets, and whether he remembers even working with these women, which is once again, he said that he had not read the tweets, but interestingly, he also said that he does not recall working with any of these women, whether it is Ghazala or it is any of the other women who have worked with him, and they worked with him for more than a year, in some cases 2 years. So this puts MJ Akbar in a pretty questionable spot, considering as an editor of a news organization, how could you possibly not know the reporters who work under you, who work with you. So, this is what.
That for now. Thanks very much indeed for joining us with that update.